What's going on, everybody? It's Chris and I'm back with a new video. Today is officially day 8 of the vlogging series. Today I went to downtown Fashion District and I recorded a whole entire vlog with you guys, but then right now when I put it down to go edit, it was all in slow motion. I went yesterday and had so many clips filmed for you guys, but then I came in and put it on my computer and it was all in slow motion, so a little frustrating. But I'm just gonna explain. I do have a clothing brand called Be Aware of Mine. If you guys see my other videos, I said I only had one drop, which was a t-shirt, and I kind of left it alone after that because I was working with designers and it was never like, I was never satisfied, so I never wanted to put another t-shirt or anything out that I wasn't satisfied with. So but right now I do have a hat design. This is gonna be my first hat that I ever did, and it's gonna be the original that I'm gonna have forever. This design is gonna be coming with me throughout all these years. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up yesterday, and I'm gonna just do a little video right now because I had to shoot tomorrow's video. So like I said, I am doing hats, so I had to pick up some red ones, and I also got some black ones. And I already have my design made for tomorrow's video. You guys are gonna see me go. I'm gonna show you guys a step by step because this is my first time doing DJ printing. So I'm gonna show you guys step by step on how I do it and just bring you guys along the journey with me. And I hope you guys enjoy how I'm making my clothing brand, and I'm bringing you guys with me and showing you guys the process because, like I said, this is my first time doing. Also got the transfer papers to put on the hat so I can make the hats. You know, I only wanted to buy one hat and I ended up getting a whole bunch of them because I just wanted to make a sample and see if you guys liked it. But I just went in and was like, alright, let me just get a couple of them and just see how it goes. You know, it's gonna be a little experiment of me making them for the first time. I just go to the manufacturer and have them make it for me, but now I'm just like, let me try to make them myself so I could cut out the middleman and take that with me, so I don't have to spend a lot more money than I need to. So it's a learning process for me, and I hope brand is about mental health. And as you guys see from my videos, I talk a lot about it. You know, all the segments I sit down and talk to you guys. It's a big part of my life now. You know, if you want to hear my story, there's a video on there, my 365 days sober. That's my story and how I got here, teaching you guys that it's okay to make mistakes, but as long as you turn your life around, anything can happen. And that's what I did a year ago. I turned my life around and I made my clothing brand, but I never followed up with it because I had some other stuff that I let my excuses get in the way. I'm doing this vlogging series. I have no excuses to not do anything, so I'm keeping myself accountable, and that's a big thing that I need to do. That's one thing I struggle with, is keeping myself accountable, especially when things go bad for me. I fall with it and I have to start again from ground zero. So I'm hoping not to be doing that again, and I'm hoping to learn my lesson. But yeah, as of right now, I'm getting ready to go film tomorrow's video for you guys. Now, sorry about that again. I literally filmed the whole series and it just was all in slow motion, so I kind of got upset right now. But the show must go on. This is gonna be a short video again. I apologize. Like, I'm gonna make sure this one is long. I always get to the other thing too is like I'm in the car a lot, so it's like I need to get something for the car so I can hold the camera up. But the way my car is made, it's not really anything that I can put it on. So I'm gonna have to figure that out because I'm in the car and I like to talk. So that's another thing I had to figure out, because every time I go somewhere, I'm just like not recording me in the car. I'm just like driving, but everything raw in, everything that I'm doing, you know, to my meals, to what I'm eating, to going to the gym. I'm just gonna put it all in there because I usually cut a lot of it out, and I should just be putting it in to make the videos longer and more entertaining for you guys. So again, I will be better. You know, it's week one. Week one is officially done. We're on to week 2. You know, all the mistakes I made in the first week, it's fine. It's a learning progress for me, and I hope you guys understand that as well. But I'm excited for this new journey with me. I am super excited to bringing my clothing brand back. This is like my life, and that's what kind of helped me get out my whatever I was in a year ago. It's literally saved my life so many times, just thinking about the mental things that I went through and how I could put on other people of the struggles I went through. Be Aware of Mine is my baby, and if you guys go to my Instagram, Chris with the extra S at the end, you guys can see the other videos I do, or go to the Be Aware of Mine Instagram and you guys can see the videos I did for that. I'm gonna continue to do more videos of that too, so I'm gonna probably get some characters into my vlogs and put them in the videos and show you guys that as well, so I could keep going and keep growing with the content, because I need to do more Instagram videos as well, and explaining that you are never alone. There's other people who go through stuff, so I feel like the more we talk about it, the more we feel okay with ourselves, and not like, oh, like I'm sick, I'm all this. But just a little motivation that people need in their life, like I was also needed when I was going through it. It was a lot of Future, a lot of podcasts, a lot of David Goggins. It was everything that helped me get out where I was in a year ago, a little over a year ago by now. But yeah. So I appreciate you guys for tuning in. I apologize again. I'm gonna keep saying it. I'm sorry. I know I repeat myself, but again, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna film everything for you guys today. Me going to get the papers and everything so I can put them on a hat and show you guys the progress of that. If you guys like it, let me know. Like it, comment, share, subscribe. I appreciate every single one of you on the road to 10K subs, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace.